Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In today's video, we would do a revisit about the 123 naval multi-role helicopters and 111 naval utility helicopters requirement by the Indian Navy. For the Indian Navy, the main and vital intention is to induct almost 230 helicopters, and among them, the split up is for 123 multi-role helicopters and 111 naval utility helicopters. In August 2017, the Indian Navy floated a request for information for such requirement and it is still pending. The main requirement for such helicopters is to replace the aging Westland Sea King Mk-42B and UH-3H Sea King and also the HAL Chetak helicopters. For almost a decade, the Indian Navy Sea King, Mk-42B and C helicopters carried the anti-submarine warfare missions. But with these Sea King being retired, the helicopter hangars on the various Indian warships are going to be empty. This depleting strength of such Navy choppers are severely reducing the warship's combat capability. So this is something very vital for the Indian Navy, and that's the reason they're looking for various options right now. So let us discuss what are the various options which were seen and which were finalized and which are being seen as an option as well. The first successful deal which has been confirmed is the 24 Sikorsky MH-60R advanced maritime helicopters. During Trump's visit to India during April 2019, the United States approved a sale of 24 anti-submarine Hunter helicopters to India, including the spare parts for almost 2.6 billion US dollars. The Trump administration notified the Congress that it has approved the sale of 24 MH-60R multi-mission helicopters, which will provide the Indian Defense Forces with the capability to perform anti-surface and anti-submarine warfare missions. This includes the cost of 24 fully kitted and armed helicopters, along with 12 spare engines, 6 spare multi-mode radars, 6 multispectral targeting systems. Not just that, this deal includes 1,000 sonobuoys or portable sonar systems for detecting enemy submarines. And it also has Hellfire missiles, rockets, and torpedoes to destroy surface and subsurface targets. So that was the details about the 24 MH-60R helicopters. So how is Indian Navy going to fill the remaining required counts? And what are the other options? As we all know, even though the process to manufacture 111 choppers indigenously along with a foreign partner is already in advanced stages, and there are 4 Indian companies which has been shortlisted. But the finalization of this particular deal is still pending due to HAL's participation in this particular tender. These 4 private companies which were selected are not happy with the HAL's participating in this deal and they want HAL to be out of this particular contract. So not sure how this is going to be taken forward by the defense forces and whether really HAL is going to be out of this contract. So we have to wait and watch about this particular confirmation. If we keep this particular deal aside, there is one more good option from Airbus, which is the Eurocopter AS565 Panther helicopter. And this is a twin-engine, medium-sized multi-mission rotorcraft developed by Airbus. This helicopter is capable of performing various naval and land-based missions such as maritime security, search and rescue, casualty evacuation, vertical replenishment, surveillance, special forces operations, anti-submarine warfare, and anti-surface warfare. The main attraction from Airbus is that the Airbus helicopters promised to relocate the global production line for AS565 Panther to India if it is being selected by Indian Navy for the proposed utility helicopter acquisition. So what are the general characteristics of this particular chopper from Airbus? The Airbus AS565 Panther is powered by 2 Safran Turbomeca 2C turboshaft engine with 635 kilowatts power each. The maximum speed is 306 km per hour with a range of 827 kilometers. I'll upload a separate video on this particular chopper which will give you more detailed information about the various avionics and armaments. So that was a quick update and a revisit about Indian Navy's pending deal of 123 multi-role and 111 naval utility helicopters. We also took a quick look about the competitor from Airbus, which is the Airbus AS565 Panther. So let us see what is Indian Navy's plan, whether it is to manufacture these helicopters indigenously along with the 4 private companies and a foreign partner, or give a chance to Airbus Helicopters to completely relocate the global production line for AS565 Panther to India if it is being selected for this Indian Navy helicopter acquisition program. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.